playful 1-month young kittens. This is Goldfish and this is Greso. They're playing by themselves. Ay. You not bite. You're biting Greso, Goldfish. You're biting Greso. What is that? Yeah? Running again is my goldfish. Running is my goldfish. Here's Greso. Greso will attack you. Greso will attack you, goldfish. Greso will attack you. There. He will punch. Greso will punch. Hi. They are siblings. Yeso. The black and white is sleeping, sucking milk. That's the other sibling of them. Sucking milk not on his mother or her mother but her aunt. He says. The others are sleeping. And the two are here. That's their mother over there. Game. Where's Goldfish? Goldfish. Hi. Hi, Goldfish. Hi. 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 Hi, Goldfish. Hi.
So kani nga bersikulo nag-ingon nga naghihimo ang Dios og bag-ong mga dalan ug
Where's Greso? Greso.
Imposible alang
Where's Greso?
so kana
Greso.
pwede
Hi.
daghang mga butang nga
Hi.
pwede
And there's Goldfish again.
nga mas pili nimo dili nimo kaya pero kung imo di ay isubmit niya
Greso.
mahimong
Why you?
mabuluhan o malambuon ang imong
Where's Greso?
Yes, possibility.
Hi.
There's nothing impossible with God. If we will simply
There.
submit ourselves,
Goldfish is playing by himself again.
in our human comprehension, we may think we cannot make it. So may God bless us all in happy soul keeping.